Okay, boys and girls, now we have to decide whether a word that we're seeing in a sentence is an adverb or an adjective because they can look very similar. We also have to make sure that when we're using a word to describe a verb, that we're actually using an adverb and not an adjective. So there's definitely a correct way of doing this. So let's take a look at 5.4, adverbs and adjectives together on page 122. Remember, this is the key. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, okay? And an adjective, on the other side, describes a noun or a pronoun. Remember that the word following and describing an action verb should always be an adverb, which is what I just said. So look at the incorrect way of saying this. She dressed nice. And we say this all the time. And that's incorrect because we are trying to modify the way that she dressed. And dressed is a verb, and nice is an adjective. The correct way of saying it would be she dressed nicely. Why? Because nicely is an adverb. A linking verb is often followed by an adjective that refers back to and modifies the subject. Okay. The waves look rough. Mom's stew smelled delicious. To decide whether to use an adverb or an adjective, first determine which word is being modified. If that word is a noun, use an adjective. If that word is a verb, then you use an adverb. The weeds grew tall, right? So this is referring back to the weeds. The weeds are tall, not the grew is tall. The weeds are tall. And so there, you're going to go ahead and use an adjective. You're describing a noun. The man appeared calm. The man is calm. The calm is modifying the man. The man is a noun, and so you're going to use an adjective. Here's some examples of when you would use an adverb. The roses grew abundantly. Okay, the roses are abundant, but how they grew is abundantly. And so abundantly is an adverb, which is describing the verb grew. The mayor appeared early. Early you should start recognizing now as being an adverb of time. And so early is not the mayor, it's how he appeared. And so appeared is a verb, and so early is modifying that verb. That makes early an adverb. Okay. Bad and badly are frequently used incorrectly. Bad is an adjective, is often follows linking verbs. And badly with an ly is an adverb. Okay, so she feels bad because she played badly, right? This brown color looks bad on the walls, right? So again, you're just needing to determine whether you're modifying a noun and using the adjective bad, or you're modifying a verb and then you're using the adverb badly. Okay, good and well is another one. We talked a little bit about this in the beginning of the year. When we say, how are you? And we say, I am good, it's actually incorrect. It should be, I am well, okay? Because I'm describing how I am, and am is a verb, okay? Maybe you can make those changes over the summer for me for next fall. We're going to go ahead and take a look at exercise 1. Exercise 1 is asking you to look at the word that is being underlined and tell me whether it is an adjective or an adverb. I'll do 2 of these with you, and then you're going to go ahead and complete exercise 1 for your assignment this week for 5.4. Number 1, a loud swarm of bees lives in a hive near our house. So the word is loud. And I have to go here and say, what is loud modifying? Is loud modifying the bees, the swarm of bees, or is loud modifying the way that they live? Obviously, loud is modifying the bees, and so that would make loud an adjective. The swarm of bees flew loudly by my ear. Is loudly modifying bees, or is loudly modifying how they flew? Obviously, this is modifying how they flew, so this would be an adverb. Okay, you're going to go ahead and complete this assignment for me for exercise 1, 5.4, page 123. Thank you.